Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11 and let me show you how to turn on and off camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to left side and tap to settings icon so we can open camera settings. Here we have to slide a little bit down and focus on general category. Now we can find the location tag option with short info from the device that this tag photos and videos with location information. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So these two parameters are important to make it work. Let me keep them turned on now with location tag, and let's move back to the camera to take a picture. To see it, let's go to the button under the shutter that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how my photo looks like. To check its location, we have to simply slide a little bit down, and here we get access to location with map and the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.